Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sumaiya Iram. I am studying in 7th standard. My age is 11 years old. I am from Adilabad. Inshallah, today I am reciting one English tarana. I've been waiting, I've been hurting, 'cause I've been falling. I need your help. My heart is breaking, so tired of crying. Lord, I'm calling. I need your help. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna fight this war. Oh na na, oh na na, oh na na na. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna fight this war. Oh na na, oh na na, yeah. Astaghfirullah. Forgive me, Allah. I'm so broken, my wounds are open, my life is frozen. I need your help, 'cause people always let me down. I'm losing all air right now. I'm suffocating, I might drown. I need your help. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna fight this war. Oh na na, oh na na, oh na na na. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna fight this war. Oh na na, oh na na, yeah. Astaghfirullah. Forgive me, Allah. I don't wanna run anymore. Forgive me, Lord, don't close your door. I promise I surrender. I'm giving you heart and my soul. I've been thinking of my past. I wanna say for you, Lord, at last. I just wanna tell you that I really love you. I know you always be my side. Astaghfirullah. Forgive me, Allah. Forgive me, Allah. Thank you.